Hi, this is Rich. I don't know if you've ever used scratch cover from Old English. This dresser is a very old dresser, but it has scratches all up and down. Of course, you can't probably can see it right there. Let me zoom in. So I'm going to use some of this Old English. Gotta get in the viewfinder. I'm going to go use this Old English. I'll show you how well it does, and I'll just zoom in here so you can just sort of see the difference. It's temporary. There. This is temporary fix, but it still looks really good. I just put some on all over the place, and I just rub with a paper towel. And this lasts about a week, and then you can just put it on again. Let's see if we can put it on here a little bit more, or zoom in. Well, it won't focus. Let me move the camera for another spot. Now you can tell this is a deeper scratch, but I'm just going to sprinkle some in there. And just go both ways. Go one way and then the other. And I call that pretty good. Now there's little dings on this dresser where there's maybe not screws, what I'm thinking about. There's, if I can get some, just sort of like maybe change or something. Let me get my viewfinder here, and now this doesn't fix the problem. This will come back, but as long as you're replacing it about once a week, it'll really look good. There's some, I don't know if you can see this or not. Some it won't fix all the way, but still it looks so much better than it did. Oh, you can see it's sort of a half on and half off there, but it really helps cover up the scratches. Doesn't fix them, but it covers them. And here's the finished product. You can hardly see any scratches at all. It works really good. Thanks for watching.